Custom item types are fully supported within the request forms, which streamlines the intake process, especially in cases when the submitted stories or bugs are coming from other departments outside of the space or even outside of the Wrike platform. Once all the team-specific types are created, users, team leads, leadership and other stakeholders can further monitor the processes around the type-based items by leveraging Wrike views and tools. Within my backlog folder, I can set up several custom views, filter them by one or multiple types, and activate relevant fields to provide all stakeholders with proper metrics. Or I can create a team dashboard and populate it with the type-specific widgets to provide my team with a clear picture of current sprint activities and our daily progress. Filtering by custom type in the calendar view can help us visualize our team roadmap and quarterly goals. On top of that, I can create granular reports based on types and group them accordingly. This would help us analyze the achieved or failed goals in the retrospect, summarize the outcomes, and give us insights into the areas we can improve, like setting realistic estimations. Custom item types not only help us define and curate team operations, but what is more, this feature empowers automation on multiple work scenarios, from archiving completed sprints or setting reminders to the backlogged items, to duly notifying stakeholders and teammates about the risk change or the need to reprioritize our stories and action items for the current sprint. Different automation rules can be applied to different item types. As a space admin, I can set automations within the type configuration window or within the automation tab in the space settings. Activated rules get triggered anytime the type-based item is created or modified within the space and are not limited to any specific location scope. To align multiple teams and departments on the company's global processes, goals or policies, account admins can implement account-level types in the account management settings. Account-level types become available for my team group automatically and can be used across the whole workspace. Custom item types feature unlocks an infinite amount of workspace customizations and process automations, both at space and account-wide levels, supporting the constantly changing business needs and habits. We don't have to rely just on classic project management systems that don't fit our work style and operations. Custom item type feature not just allow us to save time and focus on work items that matter most for the team, but it gives us a peace of mind with the technology taking care of continuous process execution without the risk to miss anything important or provide wrong information. As always, Wrike saves the day and provides us with a unified single source of truth and visibility into the team accomplishments.